Imagine waking up in a different century, seeing dinosaurs with your own eyes, or witnessing a future where humans live on Mars. What if I told you this might not just be science fiction? Some scientists believe time travel is not only possible, but may have already happened. And the evidence? It's hiding in plain sight. But is time travel real, or is it just a fantasy? Let's uncover the truth. Before we dive into the wild theories, let's talk science. The key to understanding time travel lies in one name, Albert Einstein. His theory of relativity changed everything we knew about time. He proved that time is not fixed, it can stretch, bend, and even slow down depending on speed and gravity. In fact, time travel is already happening. Astronauts on the International Space Station move so fast that when they return to Earth, they've technically aged a few milliseconds less than the rest of us. It's called time dilation, and it's the closest thing to real-life time travel we have. But what if we could take this concept further? What if we could find a way to control time itself? One theory suggests that wormholes, shortcuts through space-time, could be the key to time travel. Picture this. Instead of traveling straight from one point to another, what if you could fold time like a piece of paper, making two distant points touch? That's the idea behind a wormhole. If we could find a naturally existing wormhole, or create one, some scientists believe we could step into one era and emerge in another. But there's a problem. Wormholes are incredibly unstable. The moment something enters, it could collapse, trapping the traveler in an unknown time forever. And if that's not terrifying enough, there's another issue: paradoxes. Time travel to the past creates one big problem: paradoxes. Imagine this. You go back in time and accidentally prevent your own birth. If you were never born, then who traveled back in time? This is called the grandfather paradox, and it's one of the biggest arguments against time travel to the past. If time is a straight line, changing one event could destroy reality itself. But what if time isn't linear? Some scientists believe in the many worlds theory, which means every time a traveler changes something in the past, a new reality is created. So instead of erasing yourself, you'd simply create an alternate universe. Here's where things get really strange. Over the years, people have claimed to have proof of time travelers. Let's look at some of the most famous cases. Take a look at this old photograph from the 1940s. See that man? While everyone else is dressed in classic suits, he's wearing modern sunglasses and a hoodie. Some say he's a time traveler who slipped into the past by accident. And then there's this footage from a 1928 Charlie Chaplin film where a woman appears to be holding a cell phone in 1928. Some believe this is proof of time travel, while skeptics argue it's just an illusion. What do you think? With technology advancing at an unbelievable rate, will we ever crack the code of time travel? Some scientists believe the key lies in quantum mechanics, a field so strange that particles can exist in two places at once. If we can understand how quantum particles defy the laws of physics, we might one day build a time machine using the same principles. But the real question is, should we? What if time travel creates more problems than solutions? What if someone from the future has already visited us and changed history without us even knowing? The truth about time travel remains one of the greatest mysteries of our universe. Some say it's only a matter of time before we unlock its secrets. Others believe it's too dangerous to ever attempt. But one thing is certain: if time travel ever becomes real, it could change everything we know about existence. Now the question is, if you had the chance to travel through time, would you? And more importantly, should you? Comment below. Where would you travel?